All right, we're back with another episode. Today we're gonna see if we can get this fired up. Don't judge; it's paid off. You get him put away, and we'll talk a little more about the car. All right, so we're back. This is my 1985 El Camino, complete with custom holes. We'll just put that back. She's rough. She is paid off, so that's good. Got a down tire we'll have to take care of. Like I said, I don't even know if magnet will stick to this car. It does run okay-ish. Need to put a battery in there. I've got that in the garage. It's been charging for a while. Battery is 5 years old or so. Security system there. But she's red on the inside. Nothing fancy. There's some body that fell off at some point. Back here you've got just your pretty standard El Camino stuff. I don't have this little panel that goes here, or the spare tire, obviously, but yeah, we'll see if we can get it running. I'll leave that open so they don't have to hear it again. 350 small block. Nothing too crazy. I do think it needs to timed a little bit better than it currently is. It's kind of hard starting. I also know the carburetor does need gone through and cleaned out, but the only thing I've really done to this car since I got it is I put new spark plugs on it and new spark plug wires. Other than that, just oil changes. But let me throw a battery in here and we'll see if we can get it going. Alright, so we got the battery put in. She's the one wheel peel model. You can tell by the way that tire is versus the way that tire looks, other than flat. She's got some rust, but see if we can, there we go. What you can see, if you can see anything, but maybe right there. See if she'll fire up. One second, let's jump this thing. Alright, so we got it hooked up to Nissan. Don't look at my garage because it's filthy, but I'm excited. Let's see if she'll fire up. Thought about it. Our buzzer works. Come on a second. Alright, so I got her going. cables away, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so we need to put air in that tire, but like I said, my garage is a mess, and my compressor is all the way back there. So we're going to do it the slow way. This will only take 14 years. We'll get that tired up and we'll take her on the block. So, 1 second. So this kind of reddish color is the original body of my fish. I'm not sure if it's showing up, but it's red. This one has the old footage, so you can haul all your junk. I've actually used it before. It works. It works. But let's go check on this tire. See how it's going. Getting close. So, yeah. Alright, so she's up and going. HUD's really embracing the El Camino spirit. I don't think you should ever wear a shirt while riding an El Camino, but that's just me. I don't know, got brake lights on, let me fix that. I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, it comes on and off intermediately. Anyway, let's go. I can trust this fuel gauge. It says we're low, but I remember just from driving this in the past, hasn't always been the most accurate, so we'll see. Co-pilot is thrilled. He don't got no clothes on. Living his best life. Anyway, I'm gonna put you back up here. Hopefully, like I said, that windshield is so dirty that you guys can't see anything. Thinking, is that an 85L Camino? Yes, it is. Is it for sale? Maybe. No, I couldn't sell it. I couldn't sell it. Automatic style. Horn works. You still having fun? I think he's still having fun. I can't beat this bench seat though. It's like riding around on your grandma's couch. So comfortable. Nice day though. I would turn on the wipers, but I guarantee you it'll make an awful sound. Wow. Can't see anything. It does have this custom radio in it. It was in there when I bought it. I didn't hook it up this time when I hooked the battery because I think the speakers in the back I think they're draining my battery pretty good, so I didn't plug them back in. Sticks a little bit. You gotta throw your shoulder into it. Just like that. Made it. Tires still on. I don't know. I like it. I always wanted one. You ready to get out of here? You ready to get out of here? Alright, well I'm gonna get him out of here and then we're gonna see what we got. And that's the issue I've been having, is I can get it started, but for some reason I can't get it restarted. I don't know if it's alternator, bad battery. The starter does seem kind of weak, but it's either one of those two. Like I said, the battery is 5 years old, which in battery years is 5 years old. But I don't know. If you think you know what's wrong with it, let me know. Other than that, I think it's probably gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe if you want, but like I said in my first video, this whole channel is about beating my little brother. He got pretty excited yesterday whenever I posted the video, so he's gonna be coming. He's gonna bring his A game. Try to put out a little more content than he has been. So yeah, all these views help.